What's up guys, Ryan again here back with another video, and today I want to share with you how I tried to make this photo go viral and what actually happened. First, let's talk about the photo and why I chose this photo. You see, I follow a gentleman on Instagram and TikTok. His name is Jordy Koladik. I'm not quite sure how you say it, but I think he has amazing photos. I think he's doing awesome stuff. And judging by his follower count, I think it's 3 million on Insta and like 5 to 7 million on TikTok. A lot of people like his stuff. And naturally, all of his photos tend to get a crap ton of likes. So if I was gonna recreate a photo or recreate something that stood a chance to go viral, I just would base it off his account and kind of see which ones are doing well. This is a good tip. Find somebody in your marketplace that's actually crushing it and recreate some of their most popular stuff. It's a good tip for anything. Now, the reason I chose the photo I did, which is this photo right here, it was obviously a sponsored post by DJI. They sent him the Osmo Action, and me being a GoPro fan, having a GoPro channel, I was like, well, GoPros take better footage and take better pictures than the DJI Osmo Action, at least in my opinion. So I wanted to recreate it. And I knew that by doing this, I could stand a chance to get this photo to go viral and get a lot of likes, a lot of views, and a lot of attention on my profile. So naturally, I don't have a team of people. This is just me, singularly me, one person. So I often use the half-second time-lapse feature on my GoPro. As you see, when I shoot it, I did it all by myself. He has like a team of 3 or 4 people that follow him around and help him take his photos. So I was able to easily recreate this photo in about 5 minutes, or as long as it took me to drive to the train tracks that you see in the photo, which are right down the street from my house. A little behind the scenes of me shooting the photo. As you see, all I did was I cut the front and the end off a big Zephyr Hills water bottle. I removed the label and I shoved my GoPro inside. I hit time lapse, turned it on, and started posing and taking pictures. Now, I wanted to put myself in this photo. I like to brand myself on Instagram, and I think you guys should too. I think you should use your GoPro and take cool pictures of yourself to make you look really good on social media. So naturally, I wanted to be in them, but I also knew that if I put myself in them, I could stand a less chance of going viral because naturally speaking, everybody's got an opinion. Somebody may just not like how I'm dressed. They may not like my face. They might not like my hair. Truth is, I don't care. This is all about getting attention on my profile. So I chose the photo of my shoes pointing away as the cover photo, and then I put the slider together, and I showed the other ones of me as a bonus. And I chose the slider option because I figured the sliders get a little bit more engagement and people moving. Instagram might like this more. It stood a better chance of going viral. Here's what I did. Okay, so I posted the photo. This was 24 hours. I think I posted this. I posted this Monday night at 7 p.m. Which usually for me, Sundays and Mondays are good times for my channel to post a photo or a video that I want to get a lot of attention on. So I posted at 7 p.m. and I waited 24 hours.
24 hours later.
With my following, a little bit of engagement, I had good comments. As you can see on the screen, I had a really good number of comments and a good number of likes. I thought maybe this would get a little bit more exposure, but it didn't. It died at about 150 likes. The next 24 hours, let's promote it. So I used the Instagram promote button and I spent 20 bucks and I doubled my likes and I pretty much doubled the exposure and I drove a really good amount of profile visits to my profile. So then I did it again. I did another $10. So I want to give you like the final results. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to switch to my phone here and show you what happened with the 30 bucks I spent and kind of what I'm going to do moving forward and kind of what I learned. So as of right now, you're looking at my phone, obviously. What you're going to see is I got 393 likes, which like I said before, my organic likes, which was just for my following, was around 150, which was still pretty good. But what I want to know is 44 comments. Now, there was a good bit of hate going on in the comments. It seems that the gentleman, Jordy Koladik, has some people that don't like him, and I copied his photo, so generally people were talking about me, which is fine, whatever. I love hate because it's just engagement anyways, so don't shy away from hate. That just means people paying attention to you. But we also had 22 saves, which is really good. That means people are gonna save it, come back and look at it later. But here's the thing, the visit profile, 214 profile visits and 67 clicks. Those are people that just clicked to go to my profile from the ad, and other people actually clicked on my name and went to my profile. So 214 people from this post. Now, like I said before, I can now run ads to just those 214 people with an ad to like follow me or with an ad to like some of my other content. This is how you build a relationship, and those people are very inexpensive to advertise to because they've already looked at my stuff. So, but here's the big thing. Impressions, we reached 11,618 people, which is awesome. Like I said, my goal was 100,000. This post just didn't do it. I was hoping this would get a lot more saves and shares, and it just didn't. So no big deal there, but I want to show you, these are the final results. I'm not gonna promote this anymore. But again, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and kind of seen the process of how to kind of try to force your stuff to go viral. It may still, Instagram may pick this up later, it may start showing, but it didn't go viral. It did not get, I was hoping for 100,000 impressions. That was kind of like my benchmark, and maybe 1,000 likes on if this thing could be considered viral. I think it's a really good photo. I think it's a cool photo. It's proven, but hey, it didn't work. But you know what? I'm gonna keep trying. So I thought this would be helpful, just kind of, you guys can see my thought process and kind of what I'm doing to kind of bring attention to my account on Instagram, because a lot of people say that Instagram is dead, and I think Instagram and GoPro photos are alive and well because they are just cool photos. I'm a big fan of GoPro photos, and I think you guys are too, because you're watching this channel, learning about GoPros and experimenting with GoPros. Definitely take your GoPro, get creative with it. Don't be limited by that you don't have a big camera. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, if you have any more ideas and photos you want me to try to recreate, please leave me a comment, give me a like on this video, and if you haven't yet, subscribe. Put a lot of effort into showing you guys behind the scenes of these and kind of my thought process behind it, and I hope they inspire you to kind of go out and create your own social medias and kind of start growing your own accounts, because despite what people say, Instagram is alive and well, you just gotta make cool stuff. Obviously, Instagram didn't think that this photo was cool stuff, so I'm gonna keep trying to make cooler stuff. On the screen right now, you're gonna see links to other videos about GoPro photography. I hope you guys enjoy them. If you want to check them out, it really helps the YouTube algorithm if you click on one and watch more of my videos. So that's it for this video. Talk to you guys later.